Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to go through the process when you pass a Apex evaluation and you get your congratulations email, and go through the steps and show you how easy and quick you get your funded account. Um, this is my 7th one. I just got the congratulations email, and since I passed that and I've gotten some withdrawals, I went ahead and bought 4 more this morning. As you can see here, got 4 more going. I've already passed those except for one of them. I passed 3 out of the 4. The 4th one is a 150K account. The other 3 are 50K. I'll make that on another video, but let's go ahead and go through the steps. Okay, you get your congratulations. You get a little certificate here. Let's show the certificate. Boom, certificate. Awesome. All right. Then you go through the steps. Log into your existing Apex Trader Funding account with your username and password. So we're going to do that. Log in. Okay, so I'm logged in. All right. After you've done that, then you sign the contract. Okay, we're going to scroll down. Here's the contract. Boom. Then you are finished. You hit the finish. It goes through all the safety net stuff and blah, 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 blah. All right, that is done. All right, then you come back to the email. And you got to pay your assignment fee. All right.
Order rejected.
This holiday, Verizon will turn your old or broken phone into a gift. Trade in any phone in any condition and get Google Pixel 9 Pro with Gemini, an AI assistant from Google. Plus watch and tap, all three on us. Survive the holidays with Google, powered by Verizon.
In Puerto Rico, music is life. Sometimes it's salsa.
Let's kind of observe the action with you guys, okay? With a big day yesterday, let's kind of observe the action, see where they go, and then we go from there, okay, guys? Good morning, stock. What's going on, man? I want to see where, because had a really good day yesterday, especially after, you know, on stream it was great. You know, we locked a bunch of accounts, and then we got rid of on a few of them because I tried to catch a dip, but I did actually catch the bounce eventually, and I got paid pretty good there. So, just gonna observe a little bit here. All right, it's a rip. So remember today, you see 640, that's already 40-point pop, okay, guys? So make sure you stay safe today. If you haven't smashed the like button, make sure you smash the like button. We got 160 people on, only 15 likes, okay? Make sure you smash the like button. YouTube is really promoting a community, and let's just keep growing, guys. I'm gonna give a little bit of time. Kimbo, thanks for sticking with YouTube. You're a pro. Thank you, appreciate that. So I'm gonna let it balance a little bit, give it a few minutes, and then kind of come up with a game plan. Because with a gap up like this and with the hard sell yesterday, I kind of want to see the action. Do expect today like 200 to 400 point move possible. Now, if they do a very small doji, some kind of like a really small range, I'll be surprised. So I want to observe a little bit and see what they're doing here, and kind of formulate my plan from there. So. $180 people already, yeah, man, because of you guys, man. So smash the like button. We only got 42 likes. All right, guys, so like if the first few minutes they balance here, I'm going to use this as the opening range. I'm going to observe a little bit still here. I want to be a little bit more cautious. Yesterday was pretty big volatility, okay? So that's why I want to observe. See, huge dive here. So that's another 50 point right there. That's why today you size down. Look at that. 700, now it's 50 point dive. I'm still trying to figure out the range they're doing right now. First timer ultimate. Nice. Welcome here, man. Welcome. Great day yesterday. Locked in almost a 10K payout request. So I don't want to kind of mess it up in the morning, okay? We had a great day. We still have lots of time to make money. So let's try to just observe, see where they take it. The game plan is just let them chop around a little bit, build some base. Give it a couple minutes. Normally, I would have taken a trade here, but because of yesterday's big action, I just want to observe it a little bit. D, what's going on, man? As you can see, today's candles are gonna whip. You're gonna have to expect a whip because of 1,000 point sell with NQ yesterday. ES is currently ripping, and let's see if the Qs can push with it. Now, I think today the more unlikely scenario is the V-shape straight up to back to the high of day yesterday. I think that would be unlikely. At the 50% point, we may see some kind of resistance. So now if that pumps through, I'm going to be buying the dip. So look at that. Right here is 650 and a rip 40 points. So today, if you buy here, expect you can get dumped down here. So you just got to be very careful. Okay, if you had a great day like me yesterday, right? Locked in almost a 10K payout. You don't want to screw it up today and just blow a bunch of accounts, okay? You want to kind of observe, even trade smaller, right? If you had a great day, right? If you locked in green, I know a bunch of you locked in green yesterday on the PNL. Don't come in here today guns and blazing trying to do the same thing. I mean, you could, right? Look, a bunch of green accounts already on Nicole. If you got any greens posted in here yesterday, we were banking hard. Look at that. All of you guys are banking hard yesterday. I keep scrolling, and this is still just yesterday, right? So today we're gonna do the same thing, guys. Let's give it a little bit of patience. A little bit of patience, 5 minutes in. Let's observe what they're doing. They're just chopping around this range. Let's see what they're gonna do, because ES is already broken out and NQ hasn't, okay? Tech is still kind of weak. Tesla is still kind of dipping. Nvidia dipping a little. And Amazon still dipping a little. And Apple sold hard from yesterday. So if these big tech starts to push up, then we're gonna see triple Qs, which is the NQ here in futures, also push up. So let's give a little bit more patience. I think they may try to dive here and do some shenanigans before they rip it up, if they do. If they don't, then they can keep selling. So today, that's why I want to be a little bit more cautious. I don't want to instantly go and buy the dip, although that could have worked, but that would be in hindsight trading, right? You're like, oh man, you know, if I only had bought here and sold there, that's hindsight trading, guys. Right now, what we want to do is we want to formulate a plan. We want to observe the opening range, okay? Especially with a huge day yesterday. 1,000 point down. We haven't done anything right now yet. This is a 50 point range after a 1,000 point sell yesterday, okay, guys? We have existing home sales in 25 minutes, Mario. Thank you. Good to know. What's going on, MB? Najee, very motivating. Nice payout. Yeah, man. So we're going to get more of that. The good thing about Take Profit Trader, as you can see on the left side, is that you can withdraw daily. So today, let's say if I do another 10K, I can withdraw instantly again. But the likelihood of you doing it every day is obviously not that high. But let's just say if you can even like take once a week or twice a week, that's good, right? There's no limit for you to do that, okay? Is there anyone from Dubai? No idea. All right, let me try one here. Very small size. Knowing today that you're going to go smaller size, okay? Because one candle can dump 50 points. You have to account for that. If you don't account for that today, then don't trade, because that's the volatility of the day. You just have to know that. They can just dump straight out like 60, 70 points. This is a starter account, and I'm okay with that, okay? If it dumps here, I'm prepared that it will go to this 570 area. Okay, 570 area possible. See, dumping hard today. So you're gonna have all your accounts lined up, ready to go for your second account. Now, people today are gonna panic. So my plan is they're gonna sell it down maybe 100, 200, 300 points, and then have some kind of a reversal. Right now, it doesn't seem like it, but I'm still gonna be dipping this on some kind of reversal trades. It's gonna be big volatility today, guys. ATR is already 21. This account may not make it. Okay, didn't make it. Brand new account did not make it. So that's one loss so far of the day. It's going to be huge whips today, guys. Know that. Huge whips. 700. We sold down 120 points so far. Okay, know that. 120 point sell. Straight down. That's the action, okay? Okay, that's 10 points. Whips can be hard today, okay? It can whip hard down, whip hard up. You got to know that action today, okay? We're going to have hard whips both sides today. All right? So that's why, there you go. Sell the pop. All right, lock it in. 12 grand. 1200. Okay, nice. Yeah, I bought the long. So today I'm doing big whips, right? If it goes whip one side, I go one side. If it goes the other side, I go the other side. So basically today you're gonna fade the momentary rubber bands, okay? Yeah, Syed, sit out today, man. We had a great day yesterday. We killed it. Locked in almost like a 10K payout, right? So like, I mean, just sit tight for now, right? I mean, you don't wanna blow all your profits after a huge day yesterday, okay? So right now they're still balancing. Don't expect it has to keep selling. It could. Like yesterday it was bearish. So the market in the beginning is still gonna have a little bit of like bearish action, okay? Let's see if they attack the lows of yesterday. Okay. Had to trade pre-market day due to your work schedule. Blue one account, but 5 green with overall. That's amazing, Leanne. That's what it's about, right? You saw me on stream at blue one, but I locked in profits on another one. So we keep on rotating. We keep on rotating, and that's our strategy. And by the way, this profit you see on the top left will take profit. I've blown like multiple accounts on stream. You saw, like, I think I've blown 4 on stream, but I had 9 green. But by the end of the stream, like when I locked it out, I had like multiple more greens because I rotated the accounts and got profits there. So, I'm gonna get one here for the squeeze. knowing that it can dump low of day, okay? Knowing that it can dump low of day. Today, you have to have it in the back of your mindset, knowing candles will move 40 to 50 points. If you're not okay with that, size down to micros. Today is the only day I'll suggest you to do micros if you normally don't. All right, because after a 1,000 point sell yesterday, you have to know that today they're gonna move about 200 to 400 points. And that means candles are gonna be hard, they're gonna be big. So if you're trading, make sure you stay safe, make sure you go and rotate the accounts, and you know, if you normally trade one mini, today you trade maybe 5 micros or 3 micros. All right, I'm gonna lock it in right there, rotate out of the account, nice. Slowly and steadily put money into each of your account. That's how you do it. That's how we do it, right? Very nicely done, guys. Small size bill are exactly right. So, any of you taking a trade so far in the morning? If you have, take a 1. If you haven't taken a trade, put a 2. Let's see how you guys are doing right now. By the way, if you haven't smashed the like button, make sure you go smash it right now. We got 250 people on at the same time, concurrent viewers, and we only have 59 likes, okay? Mario 1, Michael 2, Tony Chen 2, Hacken 1, Cyberpie 1, Radio 1 base hit $200. That's amazing, Pang. Base hits. You saw me take a base hit 500 here and another base hit 1,200 there, right? That's what it's about today. Base hits. Carl 1. RT, if you think no one can trade if you're constantly talking, I apologize, but this is what I do on the live stream, right? If you don't want to hear my voice, I apologize. Go and actually, I'm not going to apologize. If you don't like my voice, click out of the stream. But I'm gonna give my levels to people who want to hear it. So that's kind of how it is. So if it keeps on popping here, see today from here 583, we ripped 80 points. Right, you gotta know it. Sorry, I don't even respond to that nonsense. Yeah, that's why I said I didn't apologize. Like, why am I streaming if I'm not gonna talk, right? So if you don't like my voice, and I know people don't like my voice, just click out of the stream. Click out of the stream. Look at that squeeze, right? 83 to 60. This is 100 point squeeze almost. Right? So this is the type of action today. If you cannot take it, you gotta get out. All right. Alright, this account probably not gonna make it if it keeps popping. Let's see.
Target
Let me switch out to another one. Let's switch it out to this one. That one's not gonna make it. It's probably gonna squeeze with that kind of pop. So on a dip, I'm probably gonna get long again on this account. Today's gonna be big whips, guys. Big whips today, okay? You saw that 100 point squeeze, man. If you cannot take that, get out of the kitchen. All right. So size down, use micros, okay? All right, I like it. It's probably gonna squeeze. I would like to join squeeze, but I want a momentary dip here to join squeeze. I want it to give me a dip so I can join squeeze here. Quentin, there's going to have to be some delay because YouTube has some delays. So that was a huge fast inversion long. Down from 580 all the way back up to 670, like 90 points straight up pop. Alright, so this one made it. Let's get out. $500, let's rotate out of it and do another count. This one made it. Today is going to be big whips, okay? Okay, long this here. 3 seconds or something, yeah. It's not that big if it's 3 seconds. Look at that, guys. 90 points up and then like dump 40 points. You have to be okay with that today, okay, guys? If you trade, if you're not, use micros. Today's the only day I'm going to recommend you to do micros. Let's say if you normally trade 1 mini, do 3 micros a day, okay? So that you have 3 entries and you'll still only be in your normal size, right? Make sure you smash the like button, guys. We got 260 people online right now, watching the stream, but we only have 76 likes. So let's get it to 100 likes first. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy whips today. What did I tell you? It's going to be 40, 50 point whips today. 40, 50 point whips today. Both sides. We got 670 all the way down. We're now like 80 point down. So if it comes and breaks down here, it's going to be lights out. So Look at that. 670 all the way down here. If I had only held that short, right? If I only held that short. Big whips. Okay, this one not gonna make it. Got 1500 that short. Nicely done, man. Nicely done, Avis. That was a 100 point sell. 100 point sell to the downside. From here, it's gonna whip like that. The average true range ATR is 31 right now. Ultra high. Okay, I'm gonna keep repeating this so that it gets through your head. Today, candles will move 40, 50, 80 points. And if you're not okay with that, don't trade today. Okay, it'll whip like this. Man, I can't even get out my trade. Rhythmic has an issue right now. Alright, nice. $1,000. Nice. Let's see here. Let's open the... So, guys, you gotta keep rotating the accounts. I got one red so far and 4 green. Okay, so you have to be rotating your accounts today. Okay, guys, look at that. It's straight up rip. It's huge.
What if I told you this was the last ad you would ever see? Still here? Let me explain. It's a free Chrome extension that's actually made by one of the founders of Honey, and it basically blocks ads for you. Like, imagine watching YouTube and Twitch completely uninterrupted. And it actually gets cooler because if you do end up seeing ads, PyLegit pays you to see it. I didn't even know these were ads in the first place, but I made money off of them, which is great. It even has a visual mode that lets you watch your ads disappear. Like, why do I feel like I'm pulling a fast one on Google? It takes like 5 seconds to install, so honestly just give it a try, because who knows?
We can, like, if it doesn't hold here, like, look at this 5 minute here. If it doesn't hold, probably breaks down, right? It's got to get up here. If it doesn't get up here, it's gonna come down and just break, and even break lows yesterday. So, obviously, let's see if they prop it up. If they can break above, like here, then we can have continuation up. But I think today they can have some manipulation, right? Boom, 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 come down, sell 200 points, and then boom, straight up like V shape as well. Like anything's possible today. So you gotta be quick. You saw me here, right? Boom, boom, take profits when it rips, short when it pops. So right now we're still in this range of 700 and 560. We haven't seen even 200 points yet, but I think we will today. So just be careful. Right now it looks bearish, okay? But you know what it means, right? When it looks bearish, when they print it bearish, 100 point candle, boom, down. Everybody chase short, boom, rip it back up. Just like this here, right? You want to buy here, they dump you 100 points. You want to short here, and they rip it up. So that's that. Alright guys, if you're enjoying the stream so far, make sure you smash the like button. We got 285 of you here, but only 85 likes, okay? Let's get it over 100. Let's smash the like button right now. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it. Every single day, 9:30, we live stream. Because you guys asked for it, I'm doing it. Alright? I'm not sure how long I'll keep it up, but Make sure you subscribe and get it while it's here, right? And so we can bank. And yeah, you can hit the heart here, this like, but what I mean is like hit the like on the stream. On the actual stream, there's a like button, and beside it there's a subscribe button. I'll love it if you click these heart buttons as well, but what I mean is like the actual like button on the stream as well. So thank you guys. NQ killing both bulls and bears. Yes and no. I mean, so far I got only 1 blown and 4 green. So if you know how to trade it today, which I told you is rubber band trades, quick, rotate your accounts, rubber band trades, meaning I bought here, I sold here, I shorted here, I covered here. You guys all saw it. You can watch the replay. Today is rubber band trades. Don't even try to get a direction on today. You don't need to. Today with volatility like this, you can easily get 10, 20 points with today like this. But you gotta know today, that you will blow some accounts when you trade. Okay, so if normally you trade 1 mini, today's the day you size down to 3 micros or 5 micros, at least downsize half. All right, you got on both ways, Jamin. So today you're gonna blow some accounts. I blown 1 and I got 4 green. So you gotta know this is today. It's gonna whip hard both sides, right? So maybe take a break a little bit. Okay, that's correct, Nagaraj. Today is size down and sniper entry, right? So right now I want to normally buy here, but I won't. I want to wait for a sweep here. But knowing it can squeeze right up here, it's like erratic today. You're gonna know it's like erratic action, straight up pop, up and down.
Order filled.
So Tesla held 440s. It's at 450 pushing up. Nvidia is still holding the 130 area. Amazon holding, pushing up. Apple's trying to push up as well. So if we have all these big techs pushing up, we can actually have the market turn up. But after a huge sell yesterday, people obviously have some fear, right? They created some fear in the market. So just have to monitor it. By the way, if you have a green trade, make sure you post it in the P&L section. If you traded so far and you are green, put in a 1. Let's see how many are a 1. And if you're red, put a 2. Let's see, okay? Sanket, the way to deal with daily loss limit is don't let it hit daily loss limit. I don't mean to be sarcastic about it, but that's really how you do it. You monitor your daily loss limit and don't let it get near there or else you'll blow the account. Rule 1, it's 8-1. Antonio's 1. Buenos dias.
There's DIY, and there's doing it yourself. It's the difference between being creative and being a creator. Between a homemade recipe and a household name. Between a daydream and a dream job. It's your business, your hard work. You do it yourself. Create your website on Wix.
Store closes in 5. We just need to grab a few more gifts.
Jackpot. That's the one.
Yes! Okay, let's go.
JJ1. Hey, I made my family disappear.
Straight down like yesterday, I'm not catching it. Yesterday on stream, I blew in a few accounts. Even though it's still overall green and it took like almost a 10K payout, but I'm not going to repeat what I did yesterday. So I'm going to be more careful today after the volatility happened yesterday. I want to see them squeeze it up with the inversion long. Because right now you think it's going to go down, but if they go boom, 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 they can start going up. Let's see if they do that. We just need the big tech to push with it. Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, they're still kind of just chopping it back and forth right now. The moment you start seeing the big tech push, the market will push with it because those are the heavyweights. Very nice. So remember, if you put a 2 and you're red right now, just wait for your entries. Wait for your entries. Right now, I want to see them squeeze here, hold for the squeeze. But if they break down here and they start rejecting, I may start getting short because they may actually go for the low of day tomorrow from yesterday. So right now, it seems like they're going for that, but I think there'll be manipulation. If they break it, I'm going to have to observe because I don't want to keep catching the knife like yesterday. Even though I made money doing it, but I also blew some accounts doing it too, so gotta be careful today. So 5 minute is bearish, guys. Look at this. 5 minute is bearish. Okay? Look at the action right here. 5 minutes bearish. This line here, you can't even see the line here. Let me show you. This line here is yesterday's lows. and that is 250 points away. I'm just telling you, okay? So if you're trying to catch it right now, keep catching, adding, it may work, it may reverse, or it may dump all the way back to yesterday's lows. I'm not saying it will. I'm saying what's possible. You gotta know what's possible, okay? Right now, yesterday's low is right here. We got Asia and London lows about here, 400 area. That's 150 points lower.
Filled.
So be careful, okay? The sentiment from yesterday is bearish, but at any time they can rip it up. So right now I'm just watching. Nice, we got Panda with the profits. If you got profits, make sure you push it here in the P&L section. Nice. Great job, guys. Great work. Printing that money. Let's have another good day today, guys, by waiting. Okay, have another good day. Not by FOMOing, but waiting. Waiting for your entries. If they hold here, I like it for the squeeze up. Get everybody bearish and then rip it. I want them to break above 700. If we can break above 700 and start holding, oh man, I will buy the micro div squeeze because it was squeezed. And it was squeezed probably to this 50-point area, 800 area. And it's hard to think right now. It's like 200 points up, but if they can get back above the 700 points, if they can get back above the 700, we can squeeze. So right here, if you bought this dip here, that's 50 points right here, right? Remember, we only locked 10, 20 points. Today, you can hold a little bit longer for 30 points because we have big whips, but know that you gotta size down today, okay? Look at that, S. You copy traded S, be careful, man. On today, if you copy trade, man, it could work really good for you or it could be really bad for you. Nevertheless, very nicely done. Good job. Good job. MOZ. Wow, nice. Funded accounts, 1,300. Nicely done, man. Great job. So if you got profits, make sure you post it in here so we can celebrate with you, right? Motivate other people. It may be a little bit red, right? They can get back green. They can get back green. If I short here, they can rip it up here. That's why I'm hesitant to short. But if it goes down, this is a good place to short. But I don't want to get ripped up here. So, like these kind of candles. Boom, and it goes up there. News in 6 minutes. It's about 3 minutes now. Quentin, it took me how long? I don't remember because I rotate my accounts. Some accounts I passed in like 4 or 5 days. Some took me like 10, 15 days. So it really depends on the take profit. Because I rotate my accounts, right? Some accounts will get more traded. Some accounts get less traded. So some I try to pass it fast and I pass it within like 4 or 5 days. Because they have 50% consistency rule. You can't pass in 1 day. And for the 150K accounts, which I have, you need $9,000 in profit. So the maximum you should make per day is $4,500. What's going on, Raj? You joining us today? Fast? Doing good, man. Took almost a 10K profit payout yesterday with the 80-20% split. It's 7,700. Incidentally, that is my favorite number, sevens. So 7700. I like that. Obviously, I don't like the profit split of giving up 20%, but that's the rule, right? So if you request 10K, they take 20. They take $2,000. You keep 8. So that's the rule. I knew that going in, and got paid within 12 hours. That's why they're one of my top firms, right? Take profit. If you want to get take profit, use my code like FSP. You will get the same deal that I have. Go here, and basically go here, right? 40% off, no activation fee. $200 for a 150K account. It's almost unheard of. It's like really good deal. So I passed a bunch of evals yesterday. Yeah, I submitted like 6 evals to be made to master for Bonox yesterday. I think I passed 4. And Helion, you bought TPT? Nice, man. So if you buy TPT, please use my code, right? If you enjoy these streams, if you want me to keep these streams live, use my code FSP. It wouldn't cost you anything extra. But it just encouraged me to, keep doing these streams. So, yeah, take profit is 80% profit share. That's why you see on the top here, basically I requested $9,600 and I got $7,700. So, because there's like a 20%, 80% split. You always use my code NDR. Appreciate you, man. For all of you guys who always use my code, thank you. I appreciate you. That's why I'm doing these live, right? I'm like, okay, we're building community, and I get a little bit of something when you use my code, so I appreciate that, man. Take profit, absolutely work of USA. That's the preferred country. I'm gonna try one long here for the squeeze. How come there's no stop loss? Man, this one didn't come with the stop loss. I'm gonna try here. This account may blow, but I wanna trade this low here for the squeeze up. They've been holding for a while, so if they hold here, they may break here. Okay, they may break it hard, then this account will not make it. Okay, so just know that.
Order filled.
Take profit has a monthly fee for evaluation, just like Bonox, Apex, the same thing. But once you get funded, there's no monthly fee. You just keep the account until you blow it. So, how long does it take to activate? Anywhere between like 24 to 48 hours. So, sometimes faster, sometimes slower. So, I want to go for the squeeze because they held this area for a long time. Now they can break here and fake me out and dump it. I know that. So, if you don't know that, don't trade here. I'm gonna add one more here. They could dump me out here, okay, guys? Just know that. Don't just blindly join me here. They can dump me out right here. I'm just telling you, if they dump here straight one candle like this, boom, we're at 530, okay? They're trying to do it right now. We dump here, we're at 520, 530 in a heartbeat, okay? And this account will blow. If you don't know that, don't trade here. This is my first entry. I don't care. It's my first entry account. Just bought a Bonox my code. Thank you, Caldier. Appreciate your support. Sanka, you bought TBT with my code. Appreciate that, man. Thank you. Alright, this is not gonna make it. So it seems like so far still bearish. Alright, so I'm gonna make it. If it doesn't pop, it'll die. And I'll switch account. Alright, is second one blown? Whippy whippy today. Let's rotate out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice. Come on, man.
Order filled.
Just bought blue. You're finding it back to
order filled.
Back bad days. Rizzler, take a break, man. Take a break. I'm trading my first entries here. Nice. Okay, you guys saw it on live.
Order
Okay.
filled.
One account sacrifice. This account made a grand. So right now I'm 5 green, 2 red. So I'm telling you today, if you trade, you'll blow accounts. You saw me blow accounts. I am not like, I'm not at all phased by it. I told you, if you mentally prepare for it, you will trade better today. Knowing that I will blow some accounts, but I will have other accounts green and they'll make the payout. Don't put your funded at first entry. Like right here, you see, I longed here, no one can come down here. That was my second entry, made $1,000. So you have to be willing, like for example, I'm gonna get long again here, knowing that I can dump you out again. If you're not okay with that, don't trade. Like it can come all the way straight down, 520 again. But I think it will squeeze. I'm looking at big tech. Everything's still holding, and Apple is pushing up. Right? It's not selling hard down. Big tech's not selling hard down. Like if big tech is like doing big red candles like yesterday, boom, 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 then I will get out of this. But right now, after a huge day like yesterday, we're gonna have more balance, right? And the balance is still like so far 150 points. So today, size down, rotate the accounts. And put your funded account a third entry to be safest, right? Or at least second entry. If you don't know what that means, make sure you go get my course. I explain to you what first, second, and third entries are. You go to fspfutures.com, you come here, see my payout with Apex, $31,000. You put in your info, and then the next page, you will see basically explain to you how to pass evals fast, how I made all these payouts, and how other people are banking my strategy, right? Rotating with the accounts, getting payouts. And normally, like I can definitely charge $1,000 for it, but I give it to you for free. You buy 10 Apex with my code, 5 with my 5 take profit with my code. Like some of you are already doing it. I appreciate your support. Then you get the course free, right? This is like what, $350 or $500 if you buy all those evals. But if you don't want to buy those evals and drop a few $100, I give you the option even to buy directly because other people ask for it. And right now I'm keeping it at 147, but I think by Christmas time I'll raise it to 197, and it'll just be there. So make sure like if you want to get it now, is the time to get it. You'll see me raise the price later on, and I won't be able to honor that price anymore. Okay. So as I told you, I bought it for the squeeze, and they're still dumping. But I know that going in, I told you guys, if I buy here, they can dump me out. Do you know that? I mean, right? If you trade, you gotta know that, okay? Such a nice day. Use my code for take profit. Thank you. Appreciate that. Such a nice day. Rhythmic have good latency for you. Yeah, I mean, you saw me on stream. I had like some kind of delay too when I try to sell. So be a little bit more careful. Size down. Guys, size down today, okay? Right now, the ATR average true range is 32.9. Normally, it's 15. We're double the average true range. What that means is that normally, if you're used to seeing NQ move 10, 15 points, today NQ will move 25, 30, 40 points, which we have seen, right? So like up here, up, down, hard up, hard down, hard up, hard down. That's today, okay? You gotta have wider stops, lower size, and rotate your accounts today in order to make it, okay? Because if you don't do that, you'll probably not make it today, okay? Or you can just not trade, okay? Just not trade. Right now the trend is down. They're working it lower, but they're whipping it back and forth. At any time, they can have a huge rip, but they may not have to do that. Because yesterday I had the same idea. Yesterday I was like, okay, at any point they can rip it straight up, but they don't have to do that. Because look at the 5 minute. If they break this here, they can go visit the low of day of yesterday. And yet low of day yesterday is 300. We're 200 points down from that. And so far in the 5 minute, they have already broken down from this quote unquote trend line. So know that, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
700. We're down about 200 points so far. Yeah. Big tech's having a little bit sell. Nvidia, Tesla, all of them are coming down.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
You gotta be fast today. You gotta lock the profits when you have it. Okay, checking my trailing drawdown there. The thing with the ATM strategy is once you hit 7 contracts, the max contracts, they don't allow you to use stop loss. Like you have to cancel the stop loss. That's why I don't see my stop loss and profit targets, because they just cancel you. I mean, if you don't click out, if you don't X out of the ATM parameters, then you can't get out of the trade. That's why you don't see me have any stop loss. Nice trade. Another $1,000. Nice. Great job, guys. Great job. So far blown 2 and 6 green. You see me, right? That account almost blown. And I rotate it. I buy dip, sell rips. And that's how you do it. So what time frame are you trading on? I'm trading on 1 minute. And on the right side here is 5 minute, okay? Guys, with this action, I do feel like today they can make it look like it prints down and then it rips straight up. I could be wrong just like yesterday, okay? Yesterday, I gotta own it up. I told you guys, hey, it looks like they're gonna come down and rip it up. They did not do that. They ripped it up after another 400 points. I expected that. So I own it. But you know what? Even owning to my mistake yesterday, I still was able to be overall green before I end the stream. And even after the stream, I was able to lock in almost $10,000 in payouts. So how do I do that? I told you guys over and over again. It's rotating the accounts, buy dips, sell rips, lock 10, 20 points, right? That's basically every single day, okay? Stream and shout how many evals I trade per day depends. So I don't put a limit that I have to trade that amount. So if I see the opportunity, I will go and take it. I think this action is trappy. I honestly think they're going to rip it up, but don't just buy on that. They can keep on dumping, okay? Remember yesterday I said the same thing, then they kept dumping. But I'm trading with a bias today that they're going to hold here and rip. That's my bias. They get everybody bearish and then they V-shape. It could be today, or they could do a 2.0 yesterday. They keep on dipping, okay? So if you are bearish today, you would short these pops and cover in the drops. If you're bullish and want for the reversal, you would be like me, that I buy here and sell here. I'm looking for 10, 20, 30 points and I'm out. So, by the way, we got over 300 people right now concurrently on the stream. Make sure you smash the like button. We only got 126 likes. Smash like on the stream and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, right?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Trades for fun, $5 tip again. Nice, now I can get another shot time. I appreciate that, man. Thank you, Trades for Fun. If you want to support me as well, that's another way. Like Trades for Fun, you click on this little dollar button sign here, and you click on Super Chat. You can do
Order
a tip,
filled.
right? If that's what you want to do. So appreciate that, Trades for Fun. So that's buy and in short there. I got one contract long. I think they're gonna rip it. That's why I didn't keep shorting. I'm gonna lock it in soon here, because I'm gonna have lock it in here. Nice trade. Okay, rotate, guys. Keep rotating. Okay, keep rotating. Keep putting a few hundred here, a few hundred there, a few hundred here, a few hundred there. Like that's what you gotta do today. Okay, you're gonna lock it in, and you saw me how I was trading, right? So I like that. I like this. If I was short, I would get out of short right now, because I think they're gonna rip. They can still dive here. Boom, cause another 30-40 point down. And then I think the inversion long is coming soon. Boom, I think we're visiting the 650 area. 650 at least. Like 630, 650 area, I think we are. Could be wrong, could be wrong. They can dump to low of day, okay? And if it dumps and this blows, I totally factor that in. I totally factor that in. Right now, I got 2 red and I got 7 green. Okay, so today, remember, you gotta know some accounts will die. Some accounts will make profit. So these prop firms are Bonox. B-U-L-E-N-O-X. Bonox. 50Ks. No, take profit only trade the 150K accounts. So I think they're gonna squeeze, guys. I'm gonna lock one here on the push. Nice. Lock it. Nice. Rotate out. Nice, guys. Anyone took that long with me? If you did, put a 1. Hard long, not easy long, but nevertheless it worked. If you took that long with me around here in this area, put a 1. David, you did? Nati, nice. Great job, guys. Great job. Theodore, nice job, man. Hey, I got your email. I appreciate the email, Theodore. Appreciate it, bro. The Lit Project, Michael, Sam, David, nice. Guys, I told you, man, like inversion long. Like I told you I had the plan. I couldn't guarantee you. I'm not the type of guy that says, I told you 100%. No, I did not say that. Right here I said, guys, I'm buying here because I think it's going to squeeze, but it can dump me out. That's what I said. Okay? So, but if you took it, if you took the risk, knowing that it can dump you out, you made bank. So that's trading. Trading is risk management. So, back in green, David, nice. Now wait, okay? Now wait. While you're waiting, now while you're not trying to FOMO in, make sure you go and post in here. Look at biblical, $1,000. They're done for a day. Base hits every day. Trade safe. Nicely done, man. New eval along with MSP. Nice. As I like that. Long with me. Hey, make sure you lock it, okay? This thing can whip up and down today. Blue 1 account, but I'm okay. Absolutely.
Order canceled.
3 accounts say you copy trading us. Be careful today, man. If you copy trade, only works when it works. I would suggest you don't copy trade, okay? But great job nonetheless. Look at that. They're going for it. 630, 640 area. They're going for it. Nice. Who heard me say, hey, they're probably gonna squeeze after a dump. They're going for the 630. If you heard it, put a 1. Let's see it. Now don't be too happy here. I'll be locking in profits here. They can dump here, okay, guys? You heard it, Forex, Rachi, NDR, Nick, Jimmy. Nice, guys. That's why we do it live. 630 achieved, okay? Lock your profits. Lock your profits. Lock your profits, all right, guys? This is a 100-point pop. P ready for payout? Nice, JP. Let's go, man. Yo, post it in the PNL, JP. I still have to get back to a bunch of DMs here. So, guys, give me, can't do it on stream, but look at this. We're killing it on the stream, man. Make sure you post it in the PNL section, guys. Look at that. Inversion long. How amazing is that, right? So now it seems like we have a range, okay? We have a range of this 520, 700. Yeah, I'm buying dips for squeeze, but you gotta know they can still do shenanigans. They can still come down here. Right now, all these shorts are not bailed out. As long as we hold above 580, the shorts are bent. You gotta know that. And I don't mean it, like, you just gotta know that's what it is. However, they can dump hard like this too. You gotta know that. So if I buy up here, which I'm about to do, I know that, okay, if they dump here to do a shenanigans, that account will blow. So I know that for a fact. Right now I'm about to click buy, knowing that it could dump 570, 560. Okay, if you don't know that, don't take this trade I'm about to take. All right, I'm about to get long, knowing they can dump all the way down here like this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
All right, I'm in. Don't follow. It's high up here. If you don't want to get dumped down to 570, 560, don't follow this trade up here. Okay, I'm telling you. If you don't want to get dumped down to 570, don't trade up here. Okay, I'm okay with this account blowing because I'll rotate my accounts. My second entry will be down here again. All right, just telling you, straight up. We have big whips day today. Straight up, straight down, right? Straight up, straight down. But I like the squeeze idea. If we hold above this 570, 580, I believe we can squeeze today. We got Tesla holding, Nvidia pushing up, Amazon pushing up, Apple pushing up. That's why we got this Apple push right here. Apple is heavyweight big tech here. Guys, if you long right here, let me remind you again, you can get dumped out to 570, 560. If you're not okay with that, don't just close it out right now. $400 loss is very recoverable. But if it dumps here, you'll blow your account, okay? If it dumps down here, like quick hard dump, I'll engage my second account.
This holiday, Verizon will turn your old or broken phone into a gift. Anyone can trade in any phone in any condition and get Google Pixel 9 Pro on us with Gemini, an AI assistant from Google.
All right, got my second and third account ready. If it comes down here and dumps me out, second account comes in for the quick 10-15 points. And if it keeps on breaking, boom, 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 and it breaks back down, then I don't like the inversion long idea anymore, okay? But let's see if they break it down or if they squeeze. I have no idea, but I'm trading with my risk, okay, in mind. You reached 50% in 2 accounts, locked out for the day. Great job, Rue. Lock it out, Rue. Great job, man. Post in the P&L section and lock it out, okay? JP Jerome, FSP question for trade 550K. I got the straight to fund it. Yesterday using a code as always. Thank you. 250, 400 a day would be ideal for 20%. For the first payout for take profit, you can do like 1500 max to satisfy the 20% rule. But once you get your first payout, I just found out yesterday that once you get your payout, let's say the new rule is you're gonna get to $9,000 in payout for 150Ks. Then you can withdraw 3,000. Once you withdraw 3,000, you have $6,000 left in the, let's say, overall profits. But they don't calculate your consistency based on your overall profits. They calculate it from your next $3,000 that you got to trade. So let's say you have a 150K account, right? You took the first 3K payout like I did with Tradeify, and then now you want to work for your second payout. Know that your second payout now requires $3,000. They did a new rule change. So you can't just flip for like $100 and lock another payout with your previous balance. You have to trade another $3,000 in profits, which is not that hard to do. Your first payout, you need to trade 9,000 to get there, right? So if you can get to 9,000, you need to do another like 1/3, and then you get to another payout. And so yesterday I had a day 1,500, and I was like, why is my consistency at 44%? And then I realized, oh, they're calculating your consistency from the profits you make after your first payout. But you don't have to worry about that right now if you just work on your first payout. I'm just letting you know, like, I already taken payouts with Tradeify, and that's why they're one of my top 3 prop firms, right? They pay quick, and I recommend to you guys stuff that I personally use, right? I don't push some just garbage stuff or just some, commissions. So I'm using it, and that's the experience I have. So if you are doing the 150Ks, just have that in mind. But in your first payout, if you do 1,500, actually with the new rule, it's like 1,800 because you're gonna reach 9,000, right? So at $9,000 in total profits before you can request a payout times 0.2 means you're gonna have $1,800 in one single day within that 10-day period. So hope that helps, man. Guys, we have 340 people on on the stream right now, make sure you smash the like button because when we have 135 likes, what's going on, guys? If you like the stream, if you want me to give you these levels and bang together, make sure you smash the like button on the stream, okay? And subscribe to the channel if you haven't, okay? And after you do that, if you're bored with your mouse, you're waiting for an entry, go here and go and just smash this heart like this, boom, 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 and that'll give some engagement to the algos too, right? And go like this, ha 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 ha, you know, and do let's party, guys. You know, if you make it, let's say, look, let's say you banked, let's say this is the new idea, okay? If you start banking, you go like this. We celebrate with you. We click this, boom, 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 and let's say, you know, if you find something funny, you go like this, boom, 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 and you hit the smiley button, you know. So if you want to click buttons, click that. Don't blow your accounts, okay? But you click those buttons, right? Having fun here, you know. Smash the like button, right? 300, over 300, man. This is crazy. We started like these stream with like 20 people, and now YouTube is promoting a community, right? So, all right, guys, it can dump. I told you. Know that they'll dump to the 670, 570 area, okay? 570, 560. If you're not okay with that, don't take this trade, okay? I like your boom, boom, boom. Where's the button for that? That's just sound effects, man. That's just the secret sauce if you're on the stream, man. The boom, boom, boom is only available on stream, okay? So if you're not on stream, you don't get it, all right? All right, man. Give me a little boom, boom, boom here, man. I don't even want my first entry dumped out. All right, I'm gonna downsize one right here so I can add back down here, okay? There's the secret sauce. Oh, there's the secret sauce, man. I give out the secret sauce on stream every day, man. So that's why I'm saying if you like the stream, you better smash the like button, you know, subscribe to the channel, right? So they're gonna retest this area, so I may have to get my second account in. This will blow because of the trailing. So if they come down here, this will blow because of the trailing, but I'll get my second account step in right here. They're going for it. Add one here. Trailing is almost done. Yep, trailing done. Okay, I can hit the second. Hit the second account. What I tell you, it can come down to 570. I told you that. First account blown. First entry blown. It's gonna be big whips today. So with a day like this, I don't think they're gonna. I think it's gonna be balanced. It's gonna be a balance of up and forward. Like they're not breaking out or breaking down, like right now yet. So it seems like with action like this today, they are balancing in this range. So with that in mind, we're just gonna trade the range. So. If they dump here, I'm going to wait for the sweep here to get long on my third account. That will probably be funded. Hard direction today, okay? That's a 100 point sell, guys. 100 point sell from up here. So it's hard whips today, okay, guys? Hard whips, but I can whip it back up too, okay? Come down, boom, 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 like this, okay? Yeah, this account probably not gonna make it either. I'll wait for here for my third account for the whip up. Let's see. Yeah, they're probably gonna take this area here. I'm gonna get my funded ready down here. 480 area. I'm gonna go for my funded. That's 60 point down. This account not gonna make it. If they keep dumping, it's not gonna make it. If they rip it back up, it will get saved, but it looks like they want to just dump it for the lows. Low of day.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
If I can get even on a couple, I will, but I don't think they'll give me a chance here. Let's see if they do.
Order filled.
Yep, they're probably gonna go for the low. I'm getting my funded this area. 480, I'm looking for my funded right in this area. 480, okay? This here, I'm probably not gonna do it. Let's see what they do. Big whips today, guys. Big whips today. Some accounts will blow, some will make it. You're gonna know that. Getting ready for this area. for momentary bounce. Take profit. Yeah, they're gonna dump. Let's see. Getting ready for the dump. If they bail me out, great, but I'm getting ready for the dump. Let's see. All right, 480 area. I'm gonna go and hit my funded. $633 all the way down here. 90 point sell. 90 point sell.
Order filled.
Are they gonna bail me out? Okay. Oh, they bail me out. Okay. They bail me out.
Order
Okay,
filled.
so I didn't get a chance to do my funded here. They bailed me out. So second entry got saved. Let's just lock that 390. Okay, that was close. That was close. I thought I was gonna blow. So with a day like this, they whip back and forth, guys. That's why, you know, you just kind of rotate the accounts. They bail me out. They don't bail you out every time, guys. Know that. They don't bail you out every time. So I'm gonna do that one. All right. I'll see. With a little boom, right? Hey, we don't even have that little boom button. We don't even have a little boom button. Let me join you a little boom button. Let me copy and paste this. Boom. Spamming the buttons there, man. Boom, boom, boom. Mohammed. Boom, boom, and ping pong. Look, I mean, if I didn't take it, I would have. If I held there and like, okay, they bail me out, I would have been dumped back down. Right now, I don't like this action here. Unless he get back above, I'll be bullish. Like right now, I need him to clear this down here. I'm not going to get long here. This, like, guys, if you're long here, good for you. But I want him to, like, I want him to at least sweep down here before I get long. That's Ninja Trader, yeah. Unless they come up here, hold again, then it's a different story. But right now, I think they're going to break it down here. And then I'm still going to go for my first entry. Maybe fund it if it's fast enough. If it gets back to 480 fast enough, boom, straight down, I may go for my funded here. This 480, 470 area. 480 quick bounce. But around here, I may take this first entry here. But if it gets lower, boom, down here, 470, 480, I'll get my funded in. But this area, this sweep, I'll go for this first entry account. All right, early starter. It doesn't even have to stop at the low of day yesterday. Like right now, there's action and they can't pop. I don't like it. It's like selling hard pattern like yesterday. So I'm gonna step away. I got good green today. So even if this account blows, I don't care. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. There may be some huge rips, but I already got this account long here. So activation fee for take profit is no activation fee right now, which is the great thing. If you use the code FSP, no activation fee. 150K account only costs $216. Amazing deal.
Order filled. Order filled.
mistake.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yesterday, down here area, I'm still going to be shorting the pops, so. Alright, so I like that. I like that for the long case. So if I want to go long, I need this to hold here. If they break back down here, then I don't like the idea of long anymore.
Order filled.
I can try a long, but I think they're gonna dump it. I need them to hold this. For me to get long, I need them to hold some kind of a higher low. They're not doing it right now. All right, good. I like that. I like that. I like that. For the long case. If it holds above here, I'll try the long again. But if it breaks here, I'll get out. So, all right, I'm going to try it. I like that. My hard stop is right here, okay? If they break low of day, I'm not going to like it. And I mean hard stop. I mean hard stop. Because if they break low here, they're absolutely going to sell again, so.
Order filled.
I want to see you squeeze. Nice. Lock it in. Lock it in. Come on the ask. Nice. Great job, guys. All right, nice. I like it. So now with that pop, I like the long idea better if they hold about 480. Okay, so I will try the dips again because now they did what I just told you. They got up here, held it. Okay, I like that idea. So now I'm going to revisit the long ideas again because they did that. Now, if they didn't do that, I wouldn't have kept adding in there. Okay. Let's see here. This account. Which account? I will do this one. How many of you